Hello guys, welcome to my time check. It's 3:45 p.m. Another tea time. What's the tea? The tea is that we need to work hard. Actually, work harder because we are poor, but we are rich with information we can get from Google or anywhere else. The information today, the data is so rampant. All you have to do is just work harder. If you are poor, work harder. If you are rich, work hard. See the difference? Because the rich already has the resources, while the poor gakamamo panagpangita, adjust sa oras, adjust sa ilang lawas, adjust sa ilang tanang resources, adjust. But may the best person win. Ganyan talaga. As cliche as it may sound, pero ganyan talaga. Kailangan mag-work hard. Yan lamang po. Bye-bye. Wala pa naman akong napapatunayan sa buhay. Realizations lang yun. Bye.